Here is Behold Him by Baloche. It's in the key of D that I'm going to teach it to you in. And make sure to stop this video as always because I have the printable chord sheet for you in the description below. So in the key of D, we have some main chords, D, G, A, and I'm going to teach it to you how simple it can be. So here is a D chord, D, F sharp, A, makes a triangle shape. Okay, then we're going to play a G, which is a straight line, just all white notes, G, B, D. And then in our chorus, we're going to play the A, which is a triangle, A, C sharp, E, triangle shape there. And I think that's it. They don't have any minors in this song. So when our right hand is going to be playing these chords, our left hand is going to just be playing single notes. So here's a D note to a D chord. And you don't have to move this hand the entire song. Just keep it from pinky on G if that's comfortable for you. Line up all 5 fingers. Play single note to chord up here. Okay? And then G to G single note. And then A to A single note. Okay? The rhythm that we're going to do is kind of like a together, right, together, right. This is written in 6/8 time signature, so it kind of has like a swing to it, like a more of a waltz. So don't overcomplicate that, and I'm going to try to keep it really simple in how I introduce the vocals to it. So let's just go through adding the vocals so you can see what I mean. So we start out with a D. He was before there was light, walked across the pages of time. He who made every living thing. Behold him. Okay, pretty simple, kind of like together, right, together, right, together, right. All right, then the chorus just goes like this. Jesus, Son of God, Messiah, the Lamb, the roaring Lion. Oh, be still and behold him. Then it goes into verse 2, which repeats itself from verse 1, so nothing new there. Then the chorus 2 is, it just kind of builds on that Jesus, Alpha, and Omega part. So there's not a whole lot new from the chorus 1, so don't let that fool you as well. Like I said, this is simple. There's a little instrumental in there, which just goes through A chord, and G chord, G, and D. And that kind of gets you back into whatever you want to go back into, whether you want to go back into a verse or you want to go back into the chorus. It's kind of, or you can transition it into the bridge. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty. Okay, that's the bridge. Worthy, worthy, worthy to receive all praise. Just going through the A, and a G. And then the ending, you can just kind of go through that ending chords that I have for you and kind of finish it out. You could go down, and end on your D chord. All right, I'm going to play it top to bottom with you. You can play along with me. You can watch it over and over and over. Go back to the beginning if you need some help. But this is such a beautiful one, and I think you're going to find so much freedom in how simple this really can be when you're just chording. All right, have fun.